Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a slip knot. I'm going to do it a bunch of times for you so that you see what I do to try to make it easy for you as possible. Slip knots are not difficult. There are a number of different ways to hold your hands and fingers as you make them. This is just the way that I do it. So I've shown you twice, and now I'll try to walk you through it. So I wrap the yarn, drape the yarn with the yarn tail on the back side of my left hand. I'm right hand dominant, so it would be the opposite if you're left-handed. And then I use my fingers to create a loop of yarn. We're making another little fish. Can you see the fish? So I use my fingers to create this loop of yarn, and then I reach for where the yarn is coming from off the skein, and I pull it through that loop, and I make that tight. That creates the knot. I stick my hook through that loop, and I pull until it is on the hook nicely. To undo the slip knot, you just take it off the hook and pull both ends, and it comes right out. So I'm going to show you again. I drape it over my hand with the short yarn tail on the back of my hand and the tail from the skein on the front of my hand. I create a little loop with the yarn tail in the back of the loop and the yarn tail from the skein in the front. I reach my fingers through the loop, I grab the yarn tail from the skein, and I pull it up through that loop until it tightens into a knot. I stick my hook into the loop and then tighten that around the hook. I'm going to show you 3 more times without explaining and without going super slowly, and I'll show you how fast I normally do it. One more time slow. I do hold the starting yarn tail and the ending yarn tail with this hand as I tighten that slip knot. Let's do it again. So I'm holding the starting yarn tail and making that loop with my fingers. I'm grabbing the yarn tail from the skein. I'm holding the yarn tail from the skein in my other hand, and I'm tightening this into a knot. Putting it on my hook and letting it tighten. I hope that helped.